Let's dive into division. 512 divided by 2. Hey Math Explorers, waving hand, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. You guys rock. Alright team, let's start with our first digit. We're looking at the 5 in 512. We're going to use the 5 for this step. Think of it as our first yummy piece of pizza. How many times does 2 fit into 5? It fits 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4, so we write 4 right below the 5. Now let's subtract. 5 minus 4 equals 1. That's our remainder for this part. Great job, you're doing awesome. We've got a remainder of 1. Time to bring down the next digit. Okay, mathletes, we have a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the next digit, which is 1. Now we have 11. We're using 2 digits this time. Wow. How many times does 2 go into 11? It goes in 5 times. Let's multiply to check. 2 times 5 equals 10. We write 10 under the 11. Time to subtract. 11 minus 10 equals 1. Another remainder, but we're doing great. You're crushing it. Keep that amazing energy going. We have a remainder of 1, ready to bring down the last digit. Last step, superstars, we have a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the final digit, 2. Look at that, we have 12. We're using 2 digits again, so close. How many times does 2 fit into 12? It fits exactly 6 times. Let's check our multiplication. 2 times 6 is 12, perfect. Subtracting now. 12 minus 12 equals 0. No remainder this time. Woohoo, you did it. We've reached the end with a big smile. And that's it, we've divided 512 by 2. You're all math wizards. We did it. 512 divided by 2 is 256 with no remainder. Amazing job, everyone. See, we tackled 512 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, even big numbers become manageable with a good plan. Keep practicing and you'll be long division pros in no time. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next Let's Stud video. Bye for now, waving hand.